Ajla, who hails from Jaipur. So go ahead and make a wish because today is your lucky day. Wasn't that just the coolest high five in the sky? Now you must be thinking, where is the leader and the rail is today? But who's that on your left? Here we go in 3, 2, and 1. Forming a helical structure in the air which will just look like the DNA structure. And let me tell you, in our DNA, we keep the teams. Ladies and gentlemen, keep your gaze fixed right in the sky as you are in for a major surprise. There they go up in the sky, pulling up just like a balloon, but you will soon see them change. And then they have changed the direction by 90 degrees and coming right back down.
ಅಣ್ಣ ಒಂಚೂರು ಮುಂದೆ ಫೋಟೋ ಅಣ್ಣ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಡೌನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ